How does the Madra-Codex work? The Madra-Codex is a feeling we have in connection to Mother Earth, our planet, our means of existence in this lifetime. From wherever we came from wherever we feel we came from whatever our imagination allows us to live on this planet, to gather that we are being created or create ourselves through the soil that we stand on, the beauty of this planet, the water. You can maybe hear it in the background. So the place to be, to find connection, is very individual. Of course, if we have something beautiful near us, where we can really see how everything is connected and still see the beauty of it. The water is clean, we're able to drink from it, we're able to bathe in it, we don't need to shower off any residue, but use the seawater to clean ourselves, to be able to drink from this water. It is a blessing, and I see it as a blessing, as I see my life here as a blessing and a present and a gift, which has been created, and I feel full of energy. All of the fascia which is going through me, which is holding me together, which is holding me in this web of existence, being connected to everyone and everything around me as I speak and as I feel and as I exist. And the Madra-Codex is there to encourage us to keep this connection at all times, present and conscious within ourselves. So the tools there are, even if it's fun learning games we have as apps on the internet, and I know there's some being made right at this moment. It's called the Echo Quick Check, so you can see how in tune you are. And since our egos love anything that's in competition, it's kind of using this ego side of ours to remain also in competition as long as it supplies and nourishes our existence. Tango as another maybe definition for just the feeling of being connected, being in the momentum, using the rhythm of the tango, which can vary very much from the classical to the longa style to the valse to tango. It's all about rhythm, finding your own rhythm, the momentum to bring us towards this higher consciousness. And it's higher consciousness which makes us aware how fragile and vulnerable and connected we are to everything around us. So the well-being of all things touching is essential for myself, being in my own well-being. It is almost impossible to be fully happy, fully in ecstasy, when right next to me somebody maybe is dying or suffering or in great pain. It's not possible. It is certainly an illusion. The ego maybe is playing on us. But if you feel deep down and rooted to the soil, this one right next to us, who may be in pain, is also in pain with us. I'm feeling this pain. So if I am full of energy and full of love, then I turn to this being and I put my arms around him or her or it, embrace it with my energy, and this intermingling can heal both of us because we are so connected. So my directing this energy, this healing energy, as I'm full of my positive protons, can in fact change someone who is needing it at the moment. And dependency is key for our mutual growth. So it's the tools we've used in the Madra-Codex, the tools of an index, starting with CO2, maybe later developing towards other indexes, measurements within the soil level, frequencies, arrays from everywhere, different water levels, pH value. This is all parts which we can use as tools, and then to have our connection, if it's with the apps, so we can feed this index with our own information. We see things, we feel things, we put it in there, and it's notched up to this global index to be using as long as we're not yet in the mode of being telepathically connected to everyone, which we actually are. So we're using this as a little help along the way. And also to have all advertising agencies connected, which is possible on a global basis, to be exchanging also information. It's at least 1 hour a day. This may be possible, have this connection and be sending out information on values which are essential for our existence here. As it is possible for the financial status and the DAX and the Nasdaq to be communicated on a global basis and omnipresent for everyone to hear and read of at every given moment. The same can hold true for the Madra-Codex, starting with the CO2, being communicated to all publicly present and open advertising agencies across the globe, exchanging this information and keeping us informed.
Tango is passion, and Tango is this macho man and a woman, beautiful woman, high heels, a very sexualized dance. It takes two to tango. Tango is also a co-creation. Tango can work with the concept of non-duality. I believe in a paradigm change, so we are going to go away from what is different. Diversity brings dimension. We can go through this dimension together and we can create. Here we have been in this beautiful landscape for this weekend and we shared Tango being. It takes two to know one, and here we are.